hair in like a heatless curl. So I'm going to try to do Bantu knots tonight and see how it turns out. I usually just add heat to my hair once a week, and that's on wash days. I try not to add heat after it because adding heat with dirty hair equals breakage, and we're clearly not on that path. So I'm going to see if I could achieve it with a little bit of moisturizer, oil, and just put my hair in Bantu knots overnight and see how it turns out. You guys, let me know how you feel about this cut. Like, I absolutely love it. I think it fits my face and my hair looks super healthy. Like, oh, I absolutely love it, love it, love it, love it. So let me know what you guys think about my haircut and if I should go shorter. I really want to go shorter, but I was so scared because I'm like, I grew my hair to bra strap length. I don't want to cut half of my hair off, but now that I'm seeing it, I'm like, I could go like right here and just cut it off. But let me know. I don't think I'm gonna do it. That's what wigs are made for. But yeah, if you guys like it, just let me know because I'm really feeling it. It's so lightweight, it's so easy to manage, and it just feels so good. All right, so tonight I'm using the at Jackie's Quench Moisture Intense Leave-In Conditioner. This is the bottle. I got this from Winners. If you're in Canada, Winners has this for $6.99, y'all, opposed to like $10 or $12. Winners has it for $7. So like, I grabbed it up really quickly, and I'm like, let me just try to see how my hair likes it. You guys know I am a Jamaican black castor oil like fanatic, but you know, it doesn't hurt to try something new. So I'm gonna try this leave-in conditioner tonight and see how it works with my hair. If you guys have tried this one, let me know how you feel about it. Do you guys prefer Aunt Jackie's, or do you guys like the As I Am? And I also bought the Umbrush. A lot of people have been talking about the Umbrush, and I really want to try it out, so I bought it. I tried it out already when I relaxed my hair, and I loved it. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It was not what I expected. It actually did not like rip my hair off or anything. It was super good. This one is the actual Unbrush. So if you guys want to try it out, make sure you guys get the legit one. And it should say patented. I don't know if you guys can see, but it says patented right there. So that's how you know it's legit. Okay, so we're gonna try this Bantu knot and see how it looks in the morning. I'm super excited because I think it's gonna look really cute. But yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so off bat, this one is not as light as the As I Am. It's definitely heavier. You can tell also by the way my hair is like weighed down. It smells good though, I'm not gonna lie, it smells really good. I don't know, we'll see how it works so far. But so far it's okay. I would only use this product though like closer to my wash days, because if I have a silk press in, it's gonna be way too heavy for my hair. Like, my hair is not flowing as much, and it's definitely a little bit greasier because it is moisture intense. am not too sure. I'm not too sure how it's going to turn out, but we're going to see if we try the thing. Because I saw it online and I thought it was really cute when I saw it on, I can't remember this girl's name on TikTok, but it looks really, really cute. It came out like short curl spirals. So I'm like, okay, let me try it out and see. But yeah, we're going to sleep with it on. And it's not tight. I made sure not to do it too tight because Bantu knots could get really tight because you're twisting the hair around itself. So I made sure to do it very loosely but tight enough so that way I get at least some type of curl in the morning, right? So we're going to see how it looks in the morning. See you guys. Bye. Alright guys, so I'm about to take out my Bantu knots. We call it Chinese bun from. But I'm about to take them out and I'm gonna put some oil on my hands. I'm gonna use the Mega Thick Formula Hair Oil from Do Grow. You guys love this oil down, and I'm gonna see how this looks. So let's get into it. This is how it looks. I am not too sure how I like it yet. Like, I definitely have to get used to it. I don't know. I don't know if it's the bangs. I'm going to take some pictures and see how I feel about it. And if I don't like the bangs, I'm going to take it away. Because I'm not like a bangs person, obviously. Because you guys never see me in bangs. Rarely. But this is how it looks. I think the curls came out really cute. The curls is not the problem. I think it's just the bangs. You know what? I'm looking at myself now and I don't like the bangs. So we're going to take this out and kind of like mess around with it and play around with it and see how we could manipulate it. Yeah. Ooh, this kind of eats. No, but wait. Okay, yeah. We're not going to do the bangs. We're going to do this. Yeah. Okay. Let's change and see how it looks. This is the final look. I think it looks so good. I think I like the flip over better than the bangs. Yeah, I do. So let me know what you guys think about the hairstyle. I don't know how I'm going to maintain it during the night. I think I might just use my flexi rods and see how it turns out. But this is super, super cute. Like, yeah. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're about to go get ready to take our pajama pictures. So I'm super excited because I haven't worn this much makeup or like done my hair in a very long time. So just doing this for myself makes me feel so much better because you guys know postpartum can be very depressing, and I'm not depressed, but doing this makes me feel alive, happy, and I'm back to my old self. It's like a routine for me that I have. So I'm happy I was able to do this for myself because I think it looks really good. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Guys, after looking at my hair, I'm like, something is missing. Something's not right. And I'm so happy I found out what it was. I used this paddle brush on my hair and brushed out the curls, and my hair turned out so much better. Absolutely love it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.